dear student. Till last session we had learned about the decimals, tenth, hundred, then comparing decimals, how to compare two decimals, etc. Okay. Now in this session we are going to learn use of decimal or using decimal, where we can use decimal in our daily life. Let us begin with money. In money we all know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So we can say that 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. 1 upon 100 rupees, which is equal to 0.01 rupees. So if we solve it, for example, if we have 52 paise and we need to convert it into rupees using the decimal point, then it will be 52 upon 100 rupees, which is equal to 0.52 rupees. So in this way we can use decimal in money, or we can say that amount whatever we use. Okay. Now in the same way, the other we can use in length also. In length we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now if we want to convert this, suppose 47 centimeter into meter, then it will be 47 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.47 meters. 0.47 meter. In the same way we know that 1 meter, if we want to convert into kilometer, then 1 upon 1000 kilometer also. So if it is 578 meter, if you want to convert it into kilometer, then it will be 578 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.578. This no, why it is after 3 point, here 3 zeros is there, so decimal point we will start from here. So right hand side, then we will move toward left hand side. So 1, 2, 3 and then 0. Now in the same way, let us learn for weight also. In weight we know that 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So when it is 1 upon 1000 kilogram, if you want to convert this, suppose 2350 gram into kilogram, then it will be 2350 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 2.350 kilogram. So in this way, by dividing for example, if rupees is there, then by dividing 100. If meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter is there, then by again 100. Meter to kilometer is there, then by 1000. Or if in weight again from kilogram to gram is there, then divide by 1000. In this way we can get the decimal answers in decimals. Okay, when we need bigger digits. Now let us see exercise 8.4. Here in exercise 8.4 it is given that express as rupees. In question number first, it is given that express as rupees using decimal. Here first it is given 5 paise. Now we have to express it as using rupees. So we know that 1 paise is equal to, here we had done 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 5 paise is equal to 5 upon 100 rupees, which is equal to rupees 0.05. rupees 0.05. Now in this same, this is our A1, let us D1. In D it is given that 50 rupees rupees 90 paise. 50 rupees 90 paise. Now this is 50 rupees 90 paise. So we need to convert this only 90 paise, or we can add this, convert this whole into paise, and then also we can do it. So first what we will do is, either we can convert all this into paise, then we can convert into decimal, or we can do like that. Suppose we can convert it, here we can do 50 rupees plus 90 paise also. Now this 90 paise we can convert, so which is equal to 50 rupees plus 90 upon 100 rupees. 50 rupees plus 90 upon 100 rupees, which is equal to 50 rupees plus 0.90 rupees, and this will be equal to, we can say, rupees 50.90. 50.90. So in this way we can convert it. Now let us see question number 2. In question number 2A1, express as meter using decimal. Here it is given 15 centimeter, we need to express it at decimal. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to, here we had done 1 centimeter is equal to, if you do 0.01 meter. So here also we can write 0.01 meter. So, or you can say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 15 centimeter is equal to 15 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.15 meter. So in this way we can convert it. 15 centimeter, so 15 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.15 meter. The rest you can do by yourself. I am doing here D. So D is here given again 9 meter 7 centimeter. So we can add it, convert it like this: 9 meter plus 7 centimeter. 9 meter will remain as it is, this 7 centimeter will be 7 upon 100 meter. 9 meter plus 0.07 meter, this will be 9.07 meter. So the answer is 9.07 meter. Now let us see question number 3. In question number 3 it is given that express as centimeter using decimal. We have to express it as centimeter using decimal. It is 5 mm given. Now we have to use it in centimeter. We know that 1 mm is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So therefore 5 mm is equal to, we can say that 5 upon 10 centimeter, which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So in this way we can convert mm into centimeter. Now here also let us do the D1. In D1 it is given 9 centimeter 8 mm. 9 centimeter 8 mm. So it is 9 centimeter plus 8 mm as we are doing in other, which is equal to 9 centimeter plus 8 upon 10 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter, and this will be equal to 9.8 centimeter. So the answer is 9.8 centimeter. Now the same let us do the question number 4 here. In question number 4 it is given express as kilometer using decimal. Let us do the A1. A is here 8 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So therefore 8 meter is equal to 8 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 8 upon 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 0.008 kilometer. Now in the same question, question number 4, let us do question number D. D is given 70 kilometer 5 meter. 70 kilometer 5 meters. As we had done in other, we will first separate it, that is 70 kilometer and 5 meter. This will be 70 kilometer plus this will be 5 upon 1000 kilometer. This will be 70 kilometer plus 0.005 kilometer. So answer is 70.005 kilometer. So this will be the answer. Now let us do question number 5. First one, 2 gram. Here we have to express as kilogram using decimal. We have to express it in kilogram by using decimal. So 2 gram here it is. We know that 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So therefore 2 gram is equal to 2 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.002 kg. So the answer is 0.002 kg. Now here also let us do 8.1. 8.1 it is given 5 kg 8 gram. We have to convert this into kg. So is equal to 5 kg plus 8 gram, which is equal to 5 kg plus 8 gram is equal to 8 upon 1000 kg. Now this will be equal to 5 kg plus 0.008 kg, which is equal to 5.008 kg. So this is the answer. Now here we end our exercise 8.4. The rest of the question you have to do by yourself as homework. Thank you.